Salut, salut tout le monde. Jodi an nou pral parler de verbe être ou verb to be ak kontraksyon ke li genyen. Mais avant, comme de pou maintenant, nan fon ti eksersis ak vocabulaire ki te nan leçon 2. Match the pictures with the correct word. Sa vle di pou liye imaj yo ak mot korek la. Write, read, ask, watch. Si ou chwazi bon repons yo, bravo, bravo, ou fe bon travay. Listen, say, spell, type. Et encore, si ou chwazi bon repons yo, ou me fe gros bravo pou tèt ou, kontinue avèk progrès. Konya, an nou komanse ak lot mot vocabulaire ki pral ede nou pou rest leçon. The first category here is people, a doctor, a teacher, a student, a singer, a painter. The second category here is things, a book, a pen, a notebook, a table, a pencil. And the last category is animal, a dog, a cat, a rabbit, a lion, a turtle. Konya, an parle de present tense of the verb to be ou encore temps présent de verbe être la. Nou gen deux kategori ki se singular and plural. Nap komanse avek singular. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. Yo itilize pronom personnel I, you, he, and she pou people. It lan li mem, se pou things or animal. An kontinue ak plural. We are. You are. They are. They are. Mem jan, yo itilize pronom personnel we ak you pou people. Sauf que de lan li mem, yo itilize ni pou people, things, ak animals. La nou gen tan kompran, an al fè yon ti pratik. I am a doctor. You are a teacher. She is a student. He is a painter. It is a dog. We are the singers. You are the students. They are painters. Konya, an parle de kontraksyon verbe être la. I am. I'm. You are. Your. He is. His. She is. Shiz. It is. It's. We are. We're. You are. Your. They are. Their. An al re-ese pratik la. I'm a doctor. You're a teacher. She's a student. He's a painter. It's a dog. We're the singers. You're the students. They are painters. Ebyen zanmim, map kite ou la pou jou an. Map tan nou pou yon lot leçon. Merci d'esko tap suiv. Bye bye.